So, ayan, naka-sale ang Toys for Less, guys. Dito banda sa Murakabat, doon banda. So, ayan, ito is, ayan siya, oh. Cute siya. 5 dirham na lang to, guys. And then, ayan, may sira lang konti ito. Pero naglalak pa naman. So, we got pages to color. And then, may coloring pen. So, okay na okay siya for traveling. Ayan, 5 dirham lang siya. And then, this one, para matuto siya, I will teach her about the clock. So, ayan, tsaka ako yata to. And this is only 11. So, hopefully, kompleto din to. Kasi yung iba naman nakita ko yung box pag hindi complete, nakalagay not working or incomplete, parang ganun, or some pieces are missing. Ito naman, I think this is still in the normal price. Ayan, si Tom and Jerry, kasi gusto ni Baby Ashley. So, ayan, yeah, normal price lang to, 19 dirham to siya. And then, ito yung pinakamalaking nakita ko sa baba. Lahat ng stall doon, chinek ko. So, ayan, sirang-sira nga lang yung box niya. So far, wala naman akong nakitang paper na nakalagay na incomplete siya. So, this is 44 cats and parang 3 house siya. Ayan, 3 house playset. Tapos, ayan yung mga cats. So, hopefully, kompleto to. So, ganyan siya. Cute.
Open mo na, parang.
Teka lang. Ayan. 3 house. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Tapos, nakuha lang natin siya ng 40. So, hopefully, kompleto to siya, guys. So, ayan. Nakalagay naman na 1, 2, 3, 4 sila. So, hopefully, 4 na ng cats is andito para makompleto natin siya. So, ayan na ang isa. Excited na. You're so excited na, baby. So, let's open. Hindi natin sisirain yung box. Kahit sira na kasi pag-uwi niya sa Pinas, papadala namin lahat yung toys niya dito. So, we're gonna open it up. Whee! What's that? Ah, that's like the 3 house. Oh, it's heavy, ah. Wow. Ang hold mo. And then, ito yung some other parts niya din. Whee! So cute. Oh, and the trunk. And then, hopefully, it's still complete. We'll see, baby ko. There's another box here of the toys. So, dito yung cats. So, hopefully, it's kompleto pa to. Ayan. So, we've got one here. Yeah. Ayan, so cute. Wait lang, cut lang muna natin, baby. Because I cannot take it out if I will not cut it. I cannot to cut. Ayan, nakat na natin. Ay, meron pa pala sa baba. Ooh, so look at that. It's so cute. I don't know their names. What's their name, baby? You don't know? You don't know? Oh. Oh, the same jacket color with your dress. So, hopefully, meron pang iba dito. Ay, nahulog pa guys.
This is good.
Hopefully, it's complete. Oh no, what's do we have here? This is some parts of the tree. Oh, so big, oh. And then, ayan.
Look, wait lang.
Parang isa lang ata. But you had the cats before, di ba, baby ko? Kaya ayaw nyo na ipatingnan eh. Ay, only one, baby. Sorry. Yun lang, yung 40 dirham natin, isang cat lang. So, hindi siya kompleto, guys. Where's your other cats before? Di ba we bought? Here, oh. It's okay. So, we bought a small cat before na ito, 34 cats. So, nadoble yung ganito natin. Wala yung iba. Sayang, dapat wala binili natin yun. Kasi hindi nagkompleto yung cats. Yun lang ang sayang kasi hindi kompleto ang cats, guys. So, nawala ng 3 cats. So far, ayan, so good. Kompleto yun naman. Yung sa treehouse, kompleto naman siya, which is, yun ang importante. So, yung cats naman, maybe we can buy or makahanap tayo ulit ng mga, before kasi may box silang, yung katulad ng Tom and Jerry na ganito. na tagi isang piraso sa loob. So, kaya ito, nabili namin ito before. Kaya yan, may pangdagdag. Sorry, baby ko. So, ayan, so cute. Ayan, trunk. Tapos, ayan, may word na 44 cats. You open them. Yay! And then, ayan, may seesaw. Ayan. And then, the tree. Swing pala. Sorry naman, baby. And then, they got a ladder here. And then, eto, iikot-ikot ata ito. Ayan na. Wee! Wala talaga yung tatlo.
Yung mataba.
Si mataba na cat. Siya dapat yung dito. And then, ito yung the other side. And then, pwede din sila makyat dito. And then, ayan. Have 2 of this. So, ayan, gamitin na lang natin din yun kasi nga kulang ng cats. So, some of them can stay there. Eee! Happy na baby ko? Hindi man ako marunong maglaro. Nak! Eee!
He's gonna hold this way.
He's gonna rest na lang. Yeah. I'm gonna rest. Ayan, worth it na.
This one
Mahal
is
din
gonna
naman ito
hold
eh.
this wing.
So, ayan na guys. Nagpe-play-play na si baby Ashley. You're happy na baby ko? Ha? Ayan. Wee, 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 wee. Oops! Ayan, it's okay. It's so cute. Ayan. Worth it naman. Okay lang. Malaki naman to guys. Magkano din yan kung bibilhin mo talaga. Yay!
Bye.
Ha?
Bye-bye.
So, ayan. Another what is this? Toy review? Not naman toy review, but opening of one of the toys that we bought. So, this one is Tom and Jerry. Ayan. So, this good for 3 years old and above. So, ayan. Kita nyo agad kung ano yung andon. And then, you can collect like these are the other designs na pwede. You have the movie moments, skateboarding, hotel bellhops, and then play ball. So, it's 19 dirham. So, ayan siya. So, we're gonna open it up na. Baby, you want me to open this one or no? So, what we took is the hotel bellhops. Kasi yung isang nakita namin is ito, which is, it's not Tom and Jerry, it's Tom and I don't know what's the name of this one. If you're familiar with them, comment down below what's the name of this, of the girl cat. Yan. So, we're gonna cut it. Hirap ng one hand na ano. Ang tamad kasi kunin yung ano, yung stand ng video, anong camera para hayaan nyo na guys. So, ayan na, si Tom and Jerry. Yay! Looks so cute. Ayan, we're able to get the bag. Wow. Oh, the cat can take care of the bunnies, the small bunnies. I'm not sure if we can open the bag, baby.
Yeah.
I think we can. Let Mama do it, please.
Okay.
Can Mama do it? I'm not sure. I think no, we cannot open them. Don't open because maybe it'll be damaged. So yeah, you cannot open the bag, guys. So ayan. Oh, what the big ears. Oh, and he's wearing the bellman uniform. Okay, that's yours na. And then we're gonna get so see what I mean. It's just need to push it from the back. And then there we go with the yellow eyes. And he's laughing.
Now you again.
There you go. Yan. Are you happy with your toys? We're not gonna buy anymore, huh? Because you have too much. And just trying to let him hold the bag. Oh, so cute. And here comes Tom. Hi, Jerry. Can I get the bag from you? Yeah. Your brave bunnies can go to the tree. They can play together with the cats. Yay! Yeah. You have to let them bend and sit down, right?
The babies.
The babies will just
And stay down here because they're still not allowed to play there in the tree. They might fall down. They're babies. They have to be down only. They have to stay down. Ayan, natuwa naman si Bulilit. Ayan, gamit na gamit din naman niya sa ibang toys niya.